Hey, Belle, please, you're my lovely wife, right? Do me a favor, please, and let me go fishing with my buddies. Okay, come on. Come on now. I'll give you some tilapia, some good tilapia so you can fry it and everything. Maybe I'll even cook it for you. You know you like fish. No, I don't really. Oh, come on, Belle, you know you do. With fish and rice and ketchup and muffin. You know, I could be the best husband if you let me go fishing just this once. Okay, thank you. Can you let me do that? I don't know, Luke. You're so bad when you go fishing. You disappear for days and days and never come back. And then I'm left vacuuming the floor and washing the car and everything like that. Taking care of the kids. Oh, come on, Bill. I got to go, please. My buddies are waiting for me. Come on. Oh, but you know what, Belle? Maybe this will make you feel better. I give you a present, okay? From my heart to yours. It's very precious. It's for you, Belle. You keep it safe for me, okay, Belle? But I really have to go fishing. Well, Luke, you forced me into this, and I really don't want you to go fishing, you bad Luke, you. Well, that's it. A piece of rock. Oh, look, you're a bad boy. You better get me some good fish, some really big fish. Okay, Belle, see you later, okay? Take care of the kids for me.